At Oryx, we understand that the right warmth is essential for healthy birds and successful poultry farming. That's why our infrared lamps and lampshades are designed to deliver safe, consistent, and efficient heat, right where it's needed. Available in multiple watt options and variants, Oryx infrared lamps are ideal for chicks, poultry, pigeons, and birds at every stage of growth. Our high-quality lampshades ensure focused heat distribution, reduced energy loss, and added safety for your birds and your setup. Built for durability and daily farm use, Oryx infrared solutions help maintain optimal temperature, reduce stress, and support strong, healthy development, especially during cold weather or brooding periods. Easy to install, reliable to use, and trusted by farmers and bird keepers alike, Oryx delivers warmth you can count on. For smarter heating, for better care, choose Oryx infrared lamps and lampshades, because healthy birds start with the right heat.